Hello up there. So today we get to work on this space over here. So this is my wife's little office nook. It's a lovely little spot. We're renters and our landlord is making the most of having a carpenter live on a property. And she's asked me to change this. So this door, it goes nowhere. It literally goes into our wardrobe. So it's pointless, and she's asked for ideas and I said, why don't we put a feature wall there, and she loves that idea. So I bought some Urbau decking and we're going to turn this into a little feature wall, which would be nice. I think it'll make my wife's little office area feel more lively and essential and lovely. Where is he? Oh, Django! There he is. Hey, buddy. You gonna help me today? Yeah? Alright, you give us a hand. Come on, mate. Wanna go inside? Gas guns, don't like hardwood. Air guns, love hardwood. Good stuff. If you liked this video, or want to see more videos like this, or you think I need to buy a new singlet, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments in the comment section below.